Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new here, welcome. My name is Ashley, and today I'm giving my small front porch area a little refresh. I wanted to just clean it up and add just a few cozy touches to make it feel a bit more inviting for the summertime. I hope that this gives you some motivation and ideas for your own space. Please be sure and hit that thumbs up button if you like these types of videos, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. These lanterns I purchased from Amazon for $20.99. I thought they were so cute and I love the price of them. I also love the fact that they came with the candles. Each candle does take 3 AAA batteries. I may even purchase another pair for the inside of my home. I just really appreciate the price of them. It's a 2-pack, very simple and a classic design. I'll link them in my description box just in case any of you guys want to check them out.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and where do people be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes. The landing is tough. Now the sun is rising, so we keep going. Let's be new people. Don't let me down. Here's what a life without some love is not a life. Here's I gotta do the best I can with what I got. So I'm just gonna call you now and tell you how I feel. Maybe I'll get lucky somehow, and you'll come out tonight and let your wildest side consume ya. Come out tonight and baby, I just like to do ya. Come out tonight. Let go of the things you call responsibilities. I know you're an animal just waiting to be free. So I'm just gonna call you now and tell you how I feel.
My front door and this sign right here had all kinds of dead bugs on it. It was pretty gross, and I was always telling myself that I needed to clean this area, but I just never made the time to do it. I'd see it every day coming home from work, and I didn't think that I'd make that much of an impact, but my goodness, now when I come to my front door, I'm like, wow, I actually did this. I can actually see the difference, and I'm just super happy that I finally got around to it. Shout out to one of my loyal subscribers. Her name is Elizabeth, and she mentioned wanting to see a video of this sort. That honestly is what gave me the little nudge that I needed to push myself to actually complete this task. So thank you again, Elizabeth, and I hope that I didn't disappoint in this video.
Wildest side consume ya. Come out tonight and baby, I just like to do ya. Come out tonight. Just say you wanna, just say you wanna, come out tonight. Just say you wanna, just say you wanna, come out tonight.
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what
I thought that this little area looked even better without that hello mat and just the checkered rug, but you guys will have to let me know. I know that it's not much, but my porch area is so tiny, so I did the best that I could with what I had. As always, I appreciate every single one of you for your continued support of my channel. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I also really hope that I will see you next week for a brand new video. And with that being said, you already know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
I really need something